Rugged look, high ground clearance, standard all-wheel drive, the Crosstrek looks like a perfect small crossover. But things are not as perfect as they may seem, because Subaru's entry-level SUV comes with lots of flaws that compromise ownership a lot. Let's check 7 reasons why it sucks to own a Subaru Crosstrek. Number 7. Disappointing engine performance. Let's start with what might be the Crosstrek's biggest weakness, that painfully underpowered base engine. The 2-liter 4-cylinder produces just 152 horsepower, which might sound adequate on paper, but in the real world, it's absolutely miserable. Expert reviewers consistently use terms like painfully slow and sloth-like acceleration when describing this engine, and they're not exaggerating. Try merging onto a busy highway and you'll quickly realize why so many owners regret their purchase decision. The Crosstrek takes an agonizing 9.2 seconds to reach 60 miles per hour, which makes it one of the slowest vehicles in its class. That's not just slow. That's dangerously slow when you need to merge into fast-moving traffic or execute a passing maneuver on a 2-lane road. Even worse, this sluggish performance becomes glaringly obvious in everyday driving situations. Climbing hills with passengers or cargo turns into an exercise in patience as the engine struggles to maintain speed. The lack of power is so noticeable that many owners report feeling embarrassed when other drivers easily pull away from traffic lights. Subaru does offer a more powerful 2.5-liter engine on higher trim levels, but here's the catch. It's only available on the Sport and Limited trims, which cost thousands more. So if you want decent acceleration, you're forced to pay a premium price. For a vehicle that markets itself as adventure-ready, having an engine that can't handle basic driving tasks is absolutely unacceptable. Number 6. Transmission makes things even worse. If you thought the weak engine was bad, wait until you experience how the CVT transmission makes everything worse. The continuously variable transmission might be designed for fuel efficiency, but it turns every acceleration into a droning nightmare that fills the cabin with unpleasant noise. Here's what happens when you press the gas pedal. The CVT keeps the engine at high RPMs, while the transmission slowly catches up, creating a rubber band effect that feels disconnected and unnatural. This isn't just annoying during normal driving. It's genuinely concerning when you need quick acceleration for safety reasons. The CVT also contributes to that feeling of sluggishness we mentioned earlier. Even when the engine is working hard, the transmission makes it feel like you're driving through mud. Many owners describe the sensation as the car thinking about it before finally deciding to accelerate, but the problems don't stop at poor performance. Crosstrek owners report CVT issues including shuddering, delayed acceleration, and in some cases, premature wear that requires expensive repairs. Although Subaru has extended warranties for certain CVT problems, many owners still face costly repairs once those warranties expire. The combination of weak power and an unreliable transmission creates a perfect storm of frustration for daily driving. Number 5. Outdated infotainment system. In an era where your smartphone can do amazing things, the Crosstrek's infotainment system feels like it's stuck in the past. Across multiple model years, owners consistently complain about systems that are slow, unresponsive, and filled with glitches that make simple tasks frustrating. Let's talk about what you'll actually experience as an owner. The touchscreen responds slowly to inputs, making it feel sluggish compared to modern smartphones or tablets. Navigation through menus becomes an exercise in patience, and don't even think about trying to change settings quickly while driving. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity are particularly problematic. Owners report frequent disconnections during phone calls, random system crashes, and connections that work fine one day but fail completely the next. Imagine being in the middle of an important call only to have the system randomly disconnect and refuse to reconnect. Even basic functions like adjusting climate controls become unnecessarily complicated. Subaru integrated climate controls into the touchscreen on newer models, which means you have to take your eyes off the road and navigate through menus just to change the temperature. What should be a simple task becomes distracting and potentially dangerous. The radio system is equally frustrating, with owners reporting random shutdowns and software glitches that require dealer visits to resolve. For a modern vehicle, having technology that works worse than a basic smartphone is disappointing. Number 4. Build quality concerns. For a brand that prides itself on reliability, the Crosstrek has some concerning build quality issues that owners discover after purchase. One of the most widespread complaints involves paint quality that so poor it seems designed to disappoint. Multiple owner reports describe paint that chips easily, scratches from minor contact, and fades prematurely under normal sun exposure. Some owners describe the paint as thin and cheap, with chips appearing after just a few months of ownership. Of course, poor paint quality affects resale value and makes your relatively new vehicle look worn and neglected. Windshield quality is another recurring problem. Owners report windshields that crack from minor impacts that wouldn't affect other vehicles. Road debris that might leave a small chip in other cars can cause significant cracks in Crosstrek windshields, leading to expensive replacements that insurance may not fully cover. Electrical issues also plague certain model years. Owners report problems with the car's computer system, dashboard malfunctions, and stereo screen failures. In some cases, these electrical glitches affect critical systems, creating safety concerns and expensive repair bills. There have even been safety-related recalls, including a defective brake light switch that could prevent shifting out of park. While recalls are eventually addressed, they highlight quality control issues that shouldn't exist in modern vehicles. When you're paying for a new car, you shouldn't have to worry about fundamental systems failing prematurely. Number 3. Uncomfortable seating. Long drives in the Crosstrek can become endurance tests thanks to seats that prioritize cost-cutting over comfort. While the seats might feel acceptable during a short test drive, extended journeys reveal their significant shortcomings. The biggest complaint from owners is the complete lack of adjustable lumbar support in most trim levels. This isn't just a luxury feature. Proper lumbar support is essential for preventing back pain during longer drives. Many owners report developing discomfort and pain after just a few hours behind the wheel. The seat cushions themselves are often described as too firm, lacking the contouring and support needed for extended comfort. Road trips that should be enjoyable become uncomfortable experiences that leave you eager to get out and stretch. Some owners resort to purchasing aftermarket lumbar support cushions or seat covers to make their vehicles tolerable for longer drives. Even the front passenger seat suffers from similar comfort issues. This means both driver and passenger experience the same lack of support, making family road trips particularly unpleasant. For a vehicle marketed toward active lifestyles and outdoor adventures, having seats that make you uncomfortable after a few hours is completely counterproductive. The seat materials in lower trim levels also feel cheap and wear poorly over time. Fabric shows stains easily and doesn't clean well, while the seat design lacks the premium feel you'd expect from a modern crossover. Number 2. Sound insulation. If you value a quiet, refined driving experience, the Crosstrek will disappoint you every single day. The lack of proper sound insulation means you'll hear everything: road noise, wind noise, and engine noise, creating a cabin environment that feels more like a budget Econobox than a modern crossover. Highway driving becomes particularly unpleasant as wind noise increases significantly with speed. Conversations become difficult at highway speeds, and you'll find yourself constantly adjusting the radio volume to compensate for the changing noise levels. This isn't just a minor annoyance, it's genuinely fatiguing during longer drives. Road noise is equally problematic, with every surface change clearly audible inside the cabin. Concrete highways, gravel, and even smooth asphalt all create distinct noise patterns that constantly remind you of the Crosstrek's poor insulation. The all-terrain tires on some models make this problem even worse, adding tire roar to the mix. Engine noise is another constant companion, especially when the CVT keeps the engine at high RPMs during acceleration. The combination of a noisy engine and poor sound deadening creates a cabin environment that feels cheap and unrefined. You'll hear the engine working hard even during normal driving, which becomes exhausting over time. Number 1. Limited cargo space. The cargo area is simply too small for a modern crossover. With just 19.9 cubic feet of space behind the rear seats, the Crosstrek offers less cargo capacity than most of its direct competitors. To put this in perspective, the Chevrolet Trailblazer and Volkswagen Taos both offer notably more cargo space, making the Crosstrek feel cramped and impractical. This isn't just about numbers on a spec sheet, it's about real-world frustration when you can't fit basic items that should easily fit in a crossover. Try loading luggage for a weekend trip, and you'll quickly discover the limitations. 2 large suitcases can completely fill the cargo area, leaving no room for additional bags, groceries, or any other items you might need. Family vacations become exercises in strategic packing, and even simple grocery runs can be frustrating when you can't fit everything you need. Interior storage is equally disappointing, with below-average space for small items throughout the cabin. Door pockets, center console storage, and glove compartment space all feel undersized compared to what you'll find in competing vehicles. You'll constantly struggle to find places to store everyday items like phones, wallets, sunglasses, and drinks. But don't think that the Crosstrek is the only crossover on the market full of design flaws. Check out this video about the reasons why it's best not to buy the Kia Sportage, which you can now see on the screen. Although usually considered one of the best values in the segment, the Sportage also comes with too many drawbacks for an SUV that competes with titans like RAV4 and CR-V.